Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable President of Republic of Uzbekistan, Your Excellency President Shavkat Mirziyoyev, Honorable Ministers and members of Uzbekistan's delegation, Honorable Ministers and members of Pakistan's delegation, and our most honored guests, business community from Uzbekistan and businessmen from Pakistan, parliamentarians, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. My dear brother, it's once again a great pleasure and honor to welcome you and your illustrious delegation to this Pakistan-Uzbekistan Business Forum. I vividly remember that we had a similar, very productive and excellent business forum in Tashkent last year, and we attended that forum jointly. And as a result of that forum, many reforms were undertaken, and as a result of various initiatives, Your Excellency, our bilateral trade volume has gone up, touching a figure of almost $450 million during the last year. This is, of course, very reassuring, but definitely not enough, and far below our potential in both countries. And your visit to Pakistan, my dear brother, I have no doubts it will go a long way to strengthen our brotherly relations and convert them into a level of economic cooperation never witnessed before. And the credit goes to you, Mr. President, for your exuberance, your dynamism, and your passion. And I want to assure you, Mr. President, that I will try to match your unwavering commitment in this behalf and really transform our relations, not only for the benefit of the two peoples, but also for this entire region. Mr. President, your presence here today is a symbol of our shared commitment and our friendship between our two countries and our commitment to convert them into a great economic partnership. Pakistan and Uzbekistan are connected by centuries of shared history, culture, and civilizational ties. Mr. President, during my visit to your great country, we agreed that political goodwill must be matched by economic actions, and words must be converted into implementation. Pakistan-Uzbekistan relations from now onwards would be measured by trade flows, investment projects, industrial partnerships, and people-to-people exchanges. It was in this very spirit that we jointly set an ambitious yet easily achievable target of increasing our bilateral trade to $2 billion. My very dear brother, President Shavkat Mirziyoyev, showed his ardent desire to sign a protocol to be drafted there and then, which would lead to constitution of a working group between our two countries. And this working group, through intensive consultation, come up with a roadmap of 5 years, which will pertain to how to promote our trade, how to promote our investment portfolio, and how to have joint collaboration in research and development, IT, agriculture, and so on and so forth. So this protocol was signed last night in a bit of a hurry, which is very exceptional, because under normal arrangements, such protocols are not signed instantly. But this is a great manifestation of our intense and very strong brotherly relations. And today, ladies and gentlemen, we will further strengthen last night's protocol by signing another document today, which will give you vistas of opportunities to sit down together, B2B, and have wonderful discussions between your counterparts and come to arrangements in terms of joint ventures, investments in Uzbekistan, in Pakistan, in various walks of economic cooperation. Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to mention this to you very briefly, that Pakistan recently transitioned from a period of severe fiscal turbulence, and our detractors thought we were at the verge of bankruptcy back in 2023. At that point in time, our inflation rate, which was galloping, was around a little over 30%. It has come down to single digit today. Our banking policy rate at that point in time was 22.5%, which is today brought down to 10.5%. Our IT sector is growing by leaps and bounds, with 18% increase in the last financial year. It has touched a figure of $3.8 billion exports. But this is again not even a fraction of Pakistan's huge potential in this field. We have a wonderful and a very committed, vibrant, youthful population, and together with Brother Shavkat Mirziyoyev's great strides in this field, in the field of IT, research and development, Pakistan stands to benefit immensely. And similarly, in other areas where we have a strong edge, our brothers and sisters in Uzbekistan will benefit immensely. Ladies and gentlemen, this remarkable economic transformation under dynamic leadership and visionary leadership of my dear brother President Shavkat Mirziyoyev, University of Nust was very pleased to confer upon him degree of professor and a doctor. Under your leadership, Mr. President, you have doubled your GDP in just 10 years, and you have lifted 8.5 million people out of the total population of Uzbekistan, which is around 35 million people, and this is a remarkable contribution. And unemployment has been reduced by half in Uzbekistan. And we see Uzbekistan not only as a partner, but a gateway to Central Asia with great potential for joint ventures with Pakistani entrepreneurs. Your Excellency, Pakistan, although heavily endowed with mineral resources, we have yet to fully realize our potential in this sector. And Uzbekistan, having a rich experience in this field, we need to really engage ourselves and move beyond discussion. And I'm sure under your stewardship, this sector will also have great cooperation between the two countries. Then, Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, pharmaceutical industry, Pakistan has great experience and edge over many countries. We would like to invite companies from Uzbekistan in this industry for manufacturing capacity and experience, high quality and affordable medicines. Textile is yet another very important area. And last night, my dear brother mentioned very properly about the potential of Pakistani textile experts, owners, to have opportunities in Uzbekistan. They have about 30 textile plants redundant. And you are most welcome to look at these textile plants in Uzbekistan and have joint ventures or whatever form you may want to have, run these plants, have employment over there, production over there, earn revenues, and this will be, I think, a win-win situation. Excellency, Pakistan's globally recognized expertise in surgical instruments and medical devices also offers significant scope for cooperation. As Uzbekistan continues to modernize its healthcare infrastructure, there is growing demand for reliable, high-quality medical equipment. And then, in the shape of raw material, rice, potatoes are two items which are in great demand in Uzbekistan. The other day we negotiated 50,000 tons with my very dear brother, President Qasim Tokayev of Kazakhstan. And today I think it's a great opportunity for Minister of Commerce and Minister of Food Security to negotiate export of potato to Uzbekistan. And I think sky is the limit. Similarly, rice and processed meat, leather goods, leather shoes, mining and minerals, IT and AI, and above all, tourism. Tourism is one of those areas where Uzbekistan has excelled in the region, and we can really benefit from their experience in this behalf. And while we have flight from Tashkent to Pakistan, soon I hope Pakistan International Airlines will also start its flights to Uzbekistan. This will pave the way for great traffic from both sides and promote our tourism. Your Excellency, today I hope and I've been told that MOUs, B2B MOUs worth $3.4 billion are going to be materialized. This is a great achievement, and I would like to commend the efforts of Mr. Haroon Akhtar, Minister of Commerce and Head of SIFC, for providing wonderful support in this behalf, and of course along with our Foreign Office under the leadership of Deputy Prime Minister Ishaq Dar. And I would also like to welcome Uzbekistan-Pakistan Joint Business Council And I would like to tell you that I am standing here, of course, as Prime Minister of Pakistan, but for this forum as the CEO of Pakistan. And I am just a telephone call away. My colleagues are just a telephone call away. We will remove any bottleneck or impediment on the way. And I would like to assure you that, bureaucracy, red tapeism will not create any kind of hurdle in your business proposals as far as Pakistan is concerned. Your Excellency, finally, I would like to thank you once again for your visit to Pakistan, and you have honored us by your presence here along with your delegation and a large contingent of business community from Uzbekistan. This goes to explain in volumes your unwavering commitment, your dedication and support to us, and you truly are Pakistan's great friend and a brother, and I want to assure you that I will work with you very closely to achieve our targets. Pakistan, Uzbekistan, friendship, long live.